Hi everyone, now you're going to look at the qualifier exam solutions for IITM-Es Max 1. So this qualifier exam was conducted on August 4th. So out of the 14 questions, I have solved 8 questions. That only we are going to see now. Alright, so logically if you are saying, so this is the question they asked. So they are asking which of the following options are correct and they have given a particular table. Okay, so if you look at this correctly where we can match, actually it's a quadratic equations. So the higher power 2 then 1, that is here it is 2 is there, then here x power 1 is there, then one constant is there, that is minus 4. Therefore a belongs to quadratic option 4. So I'm bringing like this, a belongs to 4. Alright, so here 5 power x plus 3, so 5 power x, definitely it is an exponential form, hence I'm matching it with 1. Next, if you solve this, for example, x is not equal to 2 and x is equal to 2. Okay, what they are saying, so I'll highlight and show. They are saying if x is equal to 2, it is minus 4. But if it is x is not equal to 2, so you should apply some other numbers. For example, in the place of 2, if you are applying 1 and 3 in the place of x, you'll be getting one value. So if you are plotting the graph, it will be a straight line. Hence, option B is belonging to 2. Hence, this one is the correct answer. Second option, A belongs to 4, B belongs to 2 and C belongs to 1. It is the correct answer. Alright, hope you got it. Now we'll go to the next sum. So if you look at this question, so they have clearly said Ramya bought one comic book and two horror books. So total cost is rupees 600 and Romy brought two comic book and two horror book. So both the cost is rupees 700. And they are saying let x and y represent the price of one comic book and one horror book. Now they are saying which of the following represent the linear equations of the given data. So I'm going to take from the question I'm taking. Okay, so let comic book represent x, that is one comic book. Okay, so one comic book represent x and another horror book, it represents y. Now they have said Ramya is buying one comic book. So one comic book is x and it refers to plus. So here if you read the question you'll come to know. So and two horror books costing 600. So horror book is y. Since it's two horror book, it is 2y, which is equal to total of 600. Next, if you're going, so next Romy is buying from the question two comic book, so 2x, then two horror books, 2y, the total cost of 700. Now the matrix representation they're asking, not matrix representation, the correct answer for this. So x plus 2y is equal to 600 and 2x plus 2y equals 700. So option 3 is correct. Alright, we'll go to the next. They are asking to find the value of y minus x. So x plus 2y is equal to 600. So I am writing the equation again. X plus 2y, 2y is equal to 600. We will take this as equation 1. Next, 2x plus 2y is equal to 700. We will take this as equation 2. Here which is common? 2y is common. So now change the signs. Cancel 2y. Next, x minus 2x, it is minus x. And 600 minus 700, it is minus 100. So minus and minus are getting cancelled. X is equal to 100. Fine. Now, the value of x. Now we are going to substitute in equation 1. Substituting x in equation 1. So in the place of x, just write 100 plus 2y is equal to 600. So 2y is equal to 600 minus 100. 2y is equal to 500. Then y is equal to 500 by 2, which is 250. So many of them after solving y directly they'll fall into the trap. They'll They won't think about anything, they'll just try 250. But we should look at the question stem again. They are saying find the value of y minus x. That means we should subtract x from y. So y minus x. So the value of y 250 minus 100 is equal to 150. Therefore 150 is the right answer. Hope you understood. So I am writing here the value of y minus x is 150. Now next question will go. Fine. So this is a very important question. It is usually used in all the qualifier exams. So kindly concentrate on this type of questions more. So they are asking. So first you will look at the diagram. First you will look at the diagram, then read the question. So it is looking like a rectangle. So one type of clue we are getting. Now going into the question, they are saying the footpath of width x meters, okay, is constructed around a rectangular garden. So this green field represents the rectangular garden, and surrounding this, in this distance, we are going to construct a footpath. So the rectangular garden of length is 11 meter. So length 11 meter they have given, and breadth is 7 meter they have given, and the total area of the garden including the footpath is 165 meters square. So the total area, length into breadth, is 165 meters square. Because it is a rectangular footpath, they have given clearly it is a footpath and it is around a rectangular garden. Definitely it is also a rectangle, so no doubt in that. Now we should find the quadratic equation for this. Now finding the quadratic equation for this, now let us see. So here if you look at this very carefully, basic logic only. So here just listen very carefully. So here they have given x, okay, that is this part is this part, they are x, that means this part is also x, okay, and similarly this part is also x. Understood? Now what is the total length? Already length they have given us 11 meter, but here you should add this part also. Hence total length, I am writing total length is 11 plus x. Is that correct? Not at all. So here 1x is there, here 1x is there. So this x and this x you should add. Okay. So along with 11 meter you are going to add both the x. Hence 11 plus x plus x. So 11 plus 2x. Then total breadth. So total breadth they already gave us 7 meter. Then here add this x and this x, and so you'll be writing 7 plus x plus x. So totally 7 plus 2x. Fine. Now total area. Total area they have given the question. Since it is a rectangle, what is the area of the rectangle? It is length into breadth. Since total length and total breadth we calculated, we should include that. So according to the formula L into B, I am writing. Already we know total area. What is the value? Here the total area value is 165 meter square. Hence 165 is equal to 11 plus 2x, 11 plus 2x into 7 plus 2x. Okay. So I'll rewrite it a little more clearly. So 1 plus 2x. Okay. Fine. So 11 into 7 is 77. Then 11 into 2x. Multiply. So 11 into 7 77 plus 11 into 2x plus 22x. Then 2x into 7 it is plus 14x. Next 2x into 2x. So x into x is x square. So plus 4x square. 4x square. So 165. So the 77 right as it is. Next. Next the 22x plus 14x. What is that? It is plus 36x plus 4x square. That is what remaining. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is take this 165 to the right hand side. So it will become. So instead of writing that, I'm going to rearrange and write the equation. So I'm going to rewrite by rearranging. So nothing. 4x square plus 36x plus 77 is equal to 165. So this 165 bring it to the left side. So 4x square plus 36x plus 77 minus 165 is equal to 0. Hence 4x square plus 36x 77 minus 165. What is 77 minus 165? So 77 minus 165, it is nothing but it is minus 88. So which is equal to 0. So therefore, which would be the correct answer? Option 2. So second option is the right answer. Hope you understood this. Now moving on to the next sum. So this equation we got. So it is in the form of quadratic equation. So from this we are going to take and write the coefficients a, b and c. So formula for the quadratic equation to find the variable x. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so here the coefficient of x square. So in this, in the form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the coefficient of a? So a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 36 and c is equal to minus 88. Okay, so in the place of b, so minus 36 plus or minus root of 36 the whole square. So this 36 the whole square, what will be getting? So while solving in the online calculator, 36 square, we will be getting it as 1296 minus 4 times 4 into c minus 88 by 2 into 4. Okay. So solving further, minus 36 plus or minus root of 1296, and solving this will be getting 4 into 4, it is minus 16 into minus 88 by 8. Then solving more, minus 36 plus or minus 1296 plus 1408 divided by 8. So minus 36 plus or minus root of 2704 divided by 8. Minus 36 plus or minus 52 divided by 8. So now focusing on minus 36 and plus 52. So minus 36 plus 52 divided by 8, or minus 36 minus 52 divided by 8. So minus 36 plus 52, what is the answer? We are getting 16 by 8, or minus 11. Okay, so that is minus 88 by 8 minus 11 we are getting. So 16 by 8, it is 2, or minus 11. The value of variable x can't be minus, therefore the final answer we are getting it as 2. So the final answer is 2. Next. Okay, so this is also a very important question. It is also asked in the previous exam. So if you are seeing in the mock exam also this type of question, so focus on this rectangular field question. It is a very important question. So if you understand the logic, it will be very easy. So don't miss out this question, and it is a very important question. It is costing around 2 to 3 marks, I guess so. Okay, so don't leave this. Okay, now going on to this matrix type of question. So they are saying here, Shubham paid 2 kg potatoes, 3 kg of dal, 1 kg of wheat. So like this, totally 70 rupees paid to shopkeeper. So like this, Shubham, Afreen, Bharat. So these people have brought some amount of vegetables and some groceries also. Then at the final, they are saying, let x1, x2 and x3 represent the price of 1 kg potato, 1 kg dal and 1 kg of wheat. Okay, fine. Now, so this question is very easy. So you should write the from the content what they have given. So we can separate from potatoes, dal, wheat and total. So what they are saying? They are saying Shubham bought. Shubham brought. So small space will leave. So Shubham. So SHU. Shubham. So short form I'm writing. So 2 kg of potatoes, 3 kg of dal and 1 kg of wheat with a total cost of 70. Next if you see Afrin. So Afrin. 4 kg of potato, 1 kg of dal and 2 kg of wheat and the total. And Bharat bought 2 kg of potato, 1 kg dal and 2 kg of wheat, total 75. Okay. Now they're asking which of the matrix vector form correctly represent the given scenario. So we wrote from the question. Now in the matrix representation we should frame. So matrix representation of above. It is nothing but 2C1 4 1 2 2 1 2, and they have given the variables to be taken as x1 x2 and x3. So as our routine we used to be taking x y and z, but whatever they have given in the question it is advisable to take. So therefore take it as x1 x2 x3, x1 x2 x3, the total cost 70 D 75. So which answer option correctly represents this matrix representation? It is definitely option 3. So 2C1 412 and 212. So if you cross check this part, yes, this part is getting satisfied, this part is getting satisfied, and this part also right hand side. Hence option 3 is the right answer.